So ngayon guys, papunta tayo sa paaralan guys. So ngayon, bago tayo pumunta sa paaralan, mag-concert muna tayo. Mag-concert muna tayo guys. Ang kakantahin natin ay Die With a Smile. Opya. So let's see guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Lagay! Oh. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what this means, but I sense survive. I realize wherever you go, where I follow. Nobody here promised tomorrow. I love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the war was ending, I wanna be next to you. Woo. If the party was sober and our time on earth was true. Woo! I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the war was ending, I wanna be next to you. Woo! Thank you guys. So, salamat sa panonood.